back at it doing some work on the 2007 Matrix for an elderly neighbor, and I have to hold this steel piece on because the rear view mirror fell off, and this steel piece here is glued on the inside of the windshield. So I put some Gorilla Glue and I'm holding it here, letting it cure up. And I didn't want to have, she has like an extended long wide view rear view mirror that clips on to the regular rear view mirror, so I didn't want any of these pieces weighing this down and just ripping it right back down. So I figured out I was able to just glue this piece on right here first, and then I can that little screw right there pushes against the metal piece when it's in the slot. It just holds it tight in there. And so I'm just gonna put this piece on, then I gotta go. When I come back later, I can put the rest of it on. This will be fully cured up, if I can say my words today, if I can even speak. And then that'll be that. This car, I'm gonna let it go for a second. I'm gonna hold it for a while. It seems to be pretty good. This is a very good car for her. She's had it almost since new.
By answering that original.
It has, how many miles? How do we cycle through? Where's the info button? Oh, you know what? It's probably right here. 216,278 miles on this Toyota Matrix, and it's the hatchback body style. And it is, the lighting is not good, but it's been such a good car for her over the years. So much so that I'd be interested in just having a stick shift Toyota Matrix as a daily, because a hatchback, very practical, and that's that 4-cylinder Toyota reliability. All right, see ya. Okay, from November 12th to December 2nd, call it 3 weeks or so, and the mirror is still holding up with the new glue, and nothing has moved, nothing has even started to sag down at all. So that Gorilla Glue, that clear gel stuff, is the real deal. And it's not holding up just the standard mirror, but also this clip-on extended mirror piece. So it's got a little bit of extra weight to hold up, but it is doing it just fine. And the owner said she actually adjusted the mirror and it didn't fall down. So I am happy with the adhesive that I went with. It's doing the business. So there's your update. And even in these winter months, don't know how the cold affects it, but it is doing just fine.